In this episode, we're going to teach you how to remove an object in a photo using the inpainting brush in Affinity Photo. First, you have to select the file that you want to use. Once you got the file open that you want to use, you have to find the object that you want to remove, like this guy and this animal right here. Once you find the object you want to remove, then you head over to the left and you find the inpainting brush, which is under this brush right here, under the clone brush tool. There you go. You see the inpainting brush. You select it, then you go back to the object that you want to take out. And what you do is kind of color it in like you're using a crayon. Just color over it. Once you color over it, it should look all red like this right here. You color over everything. Color over everything with the object. And then you let it go. And it automatically removes the object. That's how you remove an object using Affinity Photo. But I'm going to do another one. To show you how to do it further. In this photo, the guy's a little bit closer to you in the photo. So what you do is you select the photo, you go back to the inpainting brush, but now if you look at the bottom of the screen, it has some selections at the bottom. I want to raise the width so the brush is wider. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to raise the hardness because I want it to be a little harder. And then again, you just start coloring over it. Color over the whole person, and then you let it go. And as you see, the person is removed from the video. And to clear up any mishaps, you can just color over again, and it would erase anything there and make the photo look a little bit more normal. This is how you remove an object using the inpainting tool in Affinity Photo.